How can you save taxes as a freelancer? Did you know about Section 44 ADA of income tax that helps you save a lot of taxes? For salary income, a company deducts your TDS, so you don't have to take a step of calculating your taxes. But when you are self employed, the duty of paying taxes is on you, so it is important to understand how you will be taxed. Today, I will explain tax saving method for an individual who is a service provider. Let me start with the basic question: how is tax calculated? To put it simply, a tax is calculated on the profit you make. Profit is equal to total receipts minus your work related expenditure. So if you make 20 lakhs in a year and your expenses are, say for example, 7 lakhs, you will have to pay taxes on the profit, which is 13 lakhs. But there is a section called 44 ADA under income tax which says that you can declare 50% or more of your total receipts as your profit. It does not matter what your real expenditure is, you can simply avail the benefit of 44 ADA and declare 50% or more as a profit and calculate taxes on the declared profit. So 50% is presumed. That is why this section is also called a presumptive taxation and also 44 ADA. Say in this example, if your total receipts is 20 lakhs, you calculate profit like this. Total receipts 20 lakhs. Profit declared under 44 ADA is 50%, that is 10 lakhs. Now, your taxes are calculated on the 10 lakhs, unlike 13 lakhs in previous example where you had calculated profit by deducting actual expenditure from total receipts. Basically, when you adopt for 44 ADA, 50% of your total receipts are by default considered to be your expenditure. That is why you cannot claim expenditure separately if you are adopting for 44 ADA. So no further deduction of expenditure is allowed if you have adopted for section 44 ADA. So who can adopt for 44 ADA? There are three most important points you must know. Number one, 44 ADA can be adopted only by an individual or a partnership firm, not by a company, not by LLP, not by OPC. Number two, only specified professionals can adopt for it, and they are IT professionals. They can be web developers, designers, coders, engineers, accounting professionals, data scientists, medical professionals, film artists, and others as specified by income tax. Number three, if your total receipt is below 75 lakh in a financial year, then only you can adopt for section 44 ADA. Last point, if you are under 75 lakhs and if your expenditure is more than 50%, then also you have to adopt for 44 ADA. Of course not. Why would you pay higher taxes if your profits are lower? So if you declare that your expenditure is more than 50%, you are required by the law to maintain your books and get your books audited by a CA. For those who are under 75 lakhs, if you declare that your expenditure is more than 50%, then you are supposed to get your books audited. So I hope you had a clarity over 44 ADA, how it can help you reduce your income tax. If you have any queries, please mention in the comment box below. And if you want to watch more videos on such topics, please like and subscribe my channel. Also, you can schedule a one-on-one appointment with me. Visit my website caritu.com to book an appointment.